In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the airplane mode trick in Monopoly Go. Firstly, launch Monopoly Go on your smartphone and start playing as usual. Play until you reach a critical moment where you want to influence the outcome. This could be just before rolling the dice or making a big in-game decision. Swipe down from the top of your screen and access the control center. Tap on the airplane mode icon to enable airplane mode. This will disconnect your device from the internet. Now, let your devices offline perform the in-game action, and the game will register the action, but it won't be able to communicate the result to the server. If you like the result, you can proceed to the next step. Now all you have to do is reconnect to the internet and retry if necessary. And that's it. And that's how you perform the Monopoly Go airplane mode. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.